Happy Friday, everyone. We're getting set up here real quick. We're getting set up. Let's see here. Click the right buttons. Make sure everything looks good. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Make sure that this looks good over here. And then we'll get this going. We're actually going to get we're going to see if we can really get our AI to draw an image. I'm pretty sure we can do it. I'm pretty confident we can do that. Let's pop this chat window out over here. There we go. I'm getting all set up. Looks good now. I can put this over here, hide that, make that go over here. Perfect. Okay. Getting things set up. Okay. Does that look right? I think that looks right. Hey, how's it going? Kevin McAllister. Yo, happy Friday. Welcome on in. All right, let's click this button over here. And there we go. And there we go. We clicked the live buttons on all the things. All right, so let's jump into it. I'm actually really excited about this because we got kind of far yesterday with our AI trying to draw a picture. Though it didn't quite it didn't work. It didn't quite work. I know why. So like, here's the plan. So like, we're trying to get it to draw the Pytorch image, and it's inverted. Here, this is the problem. So we need to invert it. This is what we got to do. We got to invert it. And so that's what we're going to do. So right now the output is showing like the X and Y coordinates and like whether the pixel should be there or not. And that's too much. It's too much for the output. We need to have a lot more on the input side, and we need to reduce the output, and then we can train the model perfectly. Are you going to use reinforcement learning? Oh, this is no, in this case, it is straight up supervised learning. This is straight up supervised learning. I'm unfortunately, unfortunately, oh no, Kevin McAllister, what are you doing? What are you over there for? Hopefully everything's okay. You got to make sure everything's okay. We still got to hang out, or we still got to chat on Discord and tell you about that one, the secret reason. Remember the secret reason? We got to talk about that. That still hasn't happened yet. So we still have to do that. All right, so right now we've got hey, Eddie Legendary, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Friday. We're going to be finishing up the plan is, one thing we got to do is we definitely have to get our AI to draw the picture. We got to get the AI to draw the picture. That's like the one thing that we got to do. That's like absolutely one thing. The one goal for today, we could probably do it. We might do it very quickly, or it might not happen at all. I'm pretty sure. I'm actually really excited about this because I'm pretty sure we can make it work. I'm pretty sure. All right, let's see, close that. All right, looking over here. All right, let's see if we can pop in. So what we got to do is, I do remember, we'll have to do that soon. Yeah, we definitely got to do it soon. You got to do it. We got to do it soon. Oh, I forgot to turn on the subtitles. I was like, where's the subtitles? All right, let's click the button over here. There we go. All right, now we got subtitles. Now we got the subtitles going. All right, right there. All right, perfect. Hey man, how's it going? Jolly Amazing. How's it going? Jolly Amazing? Jolly Amazing Spiky? Is that what it is? How's it going? We're doing good. We're doing good. We're going to be building an AI that can draw an image. I mean, it's really straightforward. There's nothing super advanced here. You got IBD. I don't know what that is, but it sounds bad. I don't know what that is, but it sounds bad. We got to be careful with health and things like that. We got to be careful with health. Be well though. Hope you're okay. So let's see here. We got to invert this. What we got to do is, so this is the right now we're treating this as the output. It is not the output. It's not what the output should be. This should be the input. This should be the input. Well, this part should be the output right here. And this part needs to not be here at all. Okay. So we got to change some stuff up. So we need to return the X and Y for this image. So width, height. So what I'm going to do is, instead of the norm, we're going to just say this Y, and we're going to say X, and we're going to be training the image this way. I think this is going to be a lot better. I like this approach a lot better. Your screen is blurry. Is it? No, it's not. Is it? No, it's not. It's perfectly sharp. It's not. What do you mean? It's blurry if I do that. If I do that, it gets blurry. It's looking good on this side. Let me know if it's better. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you for the likes. All right, we're going to make it happen now. So we've got our X and Y. We're going to draw an image. We're going to have the AI draw an image, and it's going to be the Pytorch logo up here. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. So we've got X and Y, and this is going to be the X here. So this will be X. No, this is Y. Sorry. This will be the Y. Y, and then this. Wait, we need X and Y under both cases, but. So X and Y, so let's see here. This is going to change. Change that. Okay. So Y is the output. So we're inverting it, right? We're inverting it. No, it's not blurry. Okay, cool. Kevin McAllister, thank you for confirming. I was wondering about that. It seemed like it was okay. It looked okay. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. All right, here we go. We're going to make this happen. We're going to make it happen. I'm actually really excited about this. So this will be y here. So if it's greater than, then otherwise it's 0. And then if it's x, so x will be over here, and the x will be, actually, we probably could do this. This will work perfectly fine. We don't need this under any conditions. It's the same either way. So let's just like make this like this, so it's a little bit easier to read. So we can see that we're doing either, one output. What are we doing here? Back again after a long time. Arajit, cool, welcome back. Good to see you. It has been a little while. We're building an AI that can draw an image. The Pytorch logo, or at least the emblem part right here. We're going to draw the emblem up here. And so that's the plan. We're going to make it happen. Hi, autoencoders does the job for making an AI draw an image. Oh, we could. Real green blob. We could try that. I don't know about autoencoders. I want to try it. Wholesome streamer. Thank you, Jolly Amazing. Appreciate it. I searched up. I hope everything is well. Yes, same here. Hope everything's well, Kevin McAllister. That's good. I do want to do auto coding. I definitely do want to do auto coding at some point. But for now, we're just going to try this. We're just going to try this for now. So this will be x, y, width and height. I don't think we need width and height anymore though, because we don't use it anywhere else, right? Right? We don't. Oh, no. We will need it other places. Okay. So this will be x. Let's see here. X equal x comma y. And then the width and height. Perfect. So there we go. All right, making progress, guys. Making progress. The Pytorch logo. Yeah, you got it. The Pytorch logo. We're going to do the Pytorch logo. We're going to see if we can make it work. Because, see, we've got it here. So open Pytorch logo PNG. So you can see the Pytorch logo is right here. Right here is the Pytorch logo. Let's kind of zoom in on that. We're going to try to see if we can draw that. We're going to try to see if we can get the AI to draw this emblem right here. I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to do it. I'm actually kind of excited for it. So here's XY. We've loaded the Pytorch loader. Just use Rust. I know, right? We absolutely craw 9.7ing. We could absolutely do that. We're using Python. That'll be future. We're definitely gonna do that in future stream. Hey, did you say that about you in the Discord? Oh wait, Ami. Wait, hold on, Ami. What are you saying? They wrote about you in Discord. Check Discord. Oh wait. I will have to check it out later. Tell me what they wrote. Ami 51. Tell me what they wrote. What did they write? I don't even know what they wrote. Tell me about it. I'm actually kind of curious. Let me know what they wrote. I could click the Discord link, but I can't quite do it right now because obviously things are on the screen and I don't want to show. You never know. Oh hey, what is that? Who? Probjot. Hey, welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. We're going to be doing a lot of artificial intelligence on this channel. A lot of AI. Will you go live on Twitch? Yes, we are. Oh, Tyler, do things. Yes, we're there right now. Yes, you got it. We're there right now at the same time here. All right, so we updated the X and Y. So now we're appending Y. 1 if it's over 120, otherwise. So this is our normalization step. Isn't that unexpected? It's like the easy, like you would think like, oh, we could do something more advanced for the normalization, but in this case, we're doing something really easy. That was sarcasm, bro. The Rust devs can be so toxic. Oh, some communities and some of the developer communities can be problematic. The Rust programming language though is fantastic. And I definitely want to do it. It's actually really valuable. What text font and theme are you using? Oh, for my text editor, this is Vim. So this is Vim and Ghosty. The text, I don't know what the font is. The theme is Groovebox. The theme is called Groovebox. So there you go. Is this Python? You got it. It's Python. You got it. This is definitely Python. Absolutely Python. Yo, welcome on in. Good to see ya. All right, so today Steven is locked in. Yeah, we're doing locked in. We're making it happen. Wait, you can't say those words. I know, I forgot. I forgot. Well, someone else typed those words, and so I read them. And so someone else typed them, and I read them. Is that NeoVim? This is Vim. This is just regular VIM. Yeah, regular VIM. You got it. No, Vim. Vim. There we go. It's not Neo. It's not the Neo version. It's just regular Vim. Okay, so we've got our XY, and so we don't need this anymore. Let me double check here. So X is going to be converted into a tensor. So let's just do this. So Let me think about that for a second. Hold on. Is this what I want? Is this how yeah, I think this is what I want. I think we're okay with this. I think this will be fine. Is it? No, it's not. Wait, no, maybe it is. I need to check. We need to check. I need to print it out. I want to make sure it's looking good. What he said, the word he did. You're right. You're right. He did. Do you use a debugger? Oh, yo boy, Andy. We do. I mean, not really. Sometimes like LLVM debugger, LLDB. We do use LLDB. We do. What are we building? We're building an AI that can draw the Pytorch emblem up here. We're going to see if it works. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I'm pretty confident that we'll get there because we usually do. Oh, your under text can spell cool. It kind of VIM. Did you see that? Looked pretty good. Let's see. EDDY. Right, Eddie. I see. Yep, we see it right there. It can do pretty good. It's Stephen LB. So you're talking about the purple platform. That is Stephen LB. So it's you could search me up. You could search me up, Stephen LB. There you go. There, Stephen LB. That's it. There you go. Holy smokes, can you set color themes on Vim? Yeah, you can. You can set them, and they're really pretty. They're really pretty. I like them. Then this is Groovebox. It's a really great color scheme. It's like, it's nice and toned. It's muted a little bit. It's not super bright like Molokai, but I do like Molokai still. So I might go back to it because it's really bright and pretty. It's really bright and pretty. Menu text code auto completion is astonishing. Did you download an extension? Does Vim have a factory or an extension, or does Vim do it factory fresh? This is mostly factory fresh Vim, but if you're talking about the subtitles, those are something I built 7 years ago. This is something I built 7 years ago. This code is super inefficient. I know, you're right, Brandon. It definitely is. It's super inefficient, but that's fine because we're just packing it together. We don't need it to be efficient, and it's fast enough. It does everything fast enough. It does what we need to do. So I need to convert this to Torch. Let's see here. Let me see. Let's print out. Here's what I want to print X. Let's see what that looks like really quick. Let's see what that looks like. I want to print X really quick. All right. Is that what I'm looking for? You know what? That already is exactly what I want. This is exactly already what I want. I do believe this is exactly what we want. Right? I'm pretty sure. I think so. Right? Let me double check. Yeah, that looks good. I think we're good to go. X is good. X is perfect. Okay, let's check out Y. Let's check out Y really quick. All right, we might get done with this a lot more fast than I thought. Okay, look at Y. So Y, do we see a bunch of ones? We do. Here you go. See the ones on the screen? I don't know if you can see it or not, but between the ones and zeros, those are the pixels, you guys. Those are the pixels. Just found out today that one of the apps our school PC can download is Python 333 or something. Hey, excellent. There you go. You can do this too. Hey, Nick Talk, how's it going? Welcome on in. Good to see you. You should never go element-wise through pixels to perform an operation. Oh, this is just for the data processing part. It's a one-time thing, and it happens like that. As you saw, look how fast it is. Right? Ready? Boom. And that speed that you saw, the latency you saw, that wasn't because of the image processing. It was because of loading the Pytorch library. It's going to draw the torch today. We're going to draw the torch today. I think so. No, you don't understand. It's not parallelized. Oh, Brandon, you're definitely right. You're 100% right. It's not parallelized. It's single-threaded. But you know what? We only have to do it once, so it's okay. It's okay. Did you study computer science? I did, but I dropped out. I dropped out of college, and I didn't complete college because I didn't need to. Oh, is it a binary mass? Basically, yeah. So we're looking good here. So I'm seeing some good numbers there. No, it's not okay. Yeah, it is okay. It's terrible practice. You can't do if no, it's fine. It's actually what terrible practice is optimizing too soon, optimizing too early. That's terrible practice. You got to be careful with that. Over optimizing too early. Hey, Key Teachings. Welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. We're this channel. We're doing a lot of artificial intelligence. We could do distributed computing. We could also do things like what do you call it? Cryptography. We could do some cryptography too. Skill issue. Let me know. Yeah, we could. I've done more parallelizing things than you've ever done in your entire life, Brandon. I'm pretty sure I have. Things that you've never imagined. We've got. I've got proof. I've got proof of it. You can even check it out. I've got some patents. I've got some patents, and you can see them. You can see them. They're publicly visible. Look at my title and my profile. Oh, Brandon. All right, let's check out real quick. We'll check you out, Brandon. Former Microsoft data and applied data science. Nice, Brandon. Nice. All right, that sounds great. You know, we both worked at Microsoft. Aw, isn't that neat? We both did, but then I started my own company. Brandon, I started my own company and I did good. I did very well. So yeah, actually that's really cool, Brandon. I'd love to talk to you about data science. Are you working any good data science, exciting data science projects? He has receipts. He has receipts. You got it. We've got the receipts. Brandon, if you've got any data science projects that are exciting, let me know. That's actually kind of really neat. That's really neat. Okay, so we're good to go, I think. Was just wondering for sound and stuff, do you have headphones or speakers? Speakers. We got speakers. Sheriff KSA, welcome on in. Good to see you. Thank you for subscribing. Use Pytorch daily. Nice, Brandon. I use Pytorch a couple of times. I've used it a couple of times. Have you studied cryptography? A little bit, yeah. Definitely studied cryptography. A smidgen. Smidgen, thank you for the badge, you guys. We're good to go now. We're good to go. Apex, hey, how's it going, Apex? Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Doing stuff perfection. You got it. A shout out to Ice. Oh, nope. I remember that one, Chlor. I remember that one. I'm not going to shout out to that. We're not going to do that this time. I'm like 80% sure you're streaming webcam, mic, audio, not the Shire. Oh, yes. Yeah, so we've got here on this, like, so I'm pointing at the screen because I tried to stream it from my computer, but they're like, nope, sorry, you can't do that. You can't do that if you want him. Brandon versus Steven. I know, right? Could you ask a favor? Yeah. What's up? What's up? Have you ever worked on a convolutional neural network heat maps? I'm very curious about project I'm working on now. I've not enough to have expertise or opinions about it. But I've definitely used them before, but not enough to be able to be helpful. Not enough to be helpful. All right, so now we've got our X. Did we get the Y? We printed the Y, right? Y looks good, X looks good. Let's see if we can get this to work. Very simple, very simple. X Microsoft, feeling the future of .NET. Oh, no way, how's it going? .NET's fine. .NET's fine, it's a great framework. I like C#. I like C# with .NET. I think those are good ones. I think those are good ones. Now I know what convolutional neural network stands for. CNN, you got it. You got it, CNN. Could I have some Solana even a little? Oh, Apex, you're asking for cryptocurrency? You're asking for cryptocurrency. I think what you could do is you could start a miner. Isn't that something that you can do? You can. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Are you a programmer? I think so. Anthony, at this point, I definitely consider programmer. Definitely consider programmer. All right, so we've got our data set, X, Y. So we need to change this up. So I think X looks good. So we're just going to go X like this. RJ Ponce, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate to have you here. We're going to be doing AI. We're going to be doing Python. We're going to be doing Rust. We are going to be doing lots of things. Have you heard of SILQ? I have not. Silk, SILQ. I've not heard of Silk. I don't know what that is. What is that? VB.net for the win. Visual Basic. Yeah, I know, Kevin McAllister, visualbasic.net. I remember that language with the dim, right? DIM for defining variables. I remember that. Word moving into embracing C# and Blazor. Oh, nice. That sounds great. You're doing it right. I'm not a programmer, but agentic engineer running circles around enterprise dev teams. Yeah, you are. I know, right? You can absolutely do that, C#, but not quantum built in. Oh, not yet. Not yet, but maybe in the future. Maybe in the future, you guys. There's a lot of chat messages. Let's see if I can keep up with you guys. I'm also trying to type this thing over here. Sure, I'll try mining. Yeah, mining. There you go. Backflip floating kangaroo. All right. I could read that one. By the way, Steven, the thing you built for smart autocomplete 7 years ago, you mentioned. Yes. Is it possible for you to do in VS Code? Are you talking about the sub? No. So this, if you're talking about autocomplete on my Vim, it's just Copilot. We're just using Copilot. There's nothing fancy there. There's nothing fancy over there. So you don't have to worry about that. let's see here. So all you have to do is install Copilot. You're good to go. You're good to go then. Man, can you vibe code in Python? Yeah, you absolutely can. That's like the easiest way to Python code because you don't even have to code. You just ask the AI to do it for you. All right, so torch looks good. I want to X. Do we not need to do this anymore? I don't think. Then a Y is already a Y. We just need to turn it into Y. Tensor like that. Float good. Do we need to unsqueeze it though? Is that something that we got to do? I don't think so. All right, let's print X and see what that looks like. And also the shape. Dot shape. There we go. All right, and then let's get rid of that really quick. Hey, Mattis, how's it going? Mattis, thank you for subscribing. Vibe it, bro. I know we absolutely could vibe it. What certifications do you recommend to start coding? I recommend watching videos on the internet. Do not. Here's my deal. I do not recommend watching. Oh, perfect. My tensor's in the right shape. Look at that. That's exactly the shape I want. All right. Thank you for subscribing, Mattis. We're going to be doing a lot of AI on this channel. We'll be doing more AI. We're going to learn together different things that I didn't learn over the years. Certifications, I recommend you just watch videos on the internet and then try it yourself because it's for free. You don't need certifications. You don't need them. It's free. It's all for free. Like Arduino. Wow, Copilot. I know, right? It's Copilot. I know. Embedding model. We don't have one running right now. We do not have an embedding model running. After we do a bunch of machine learning stuff, we need to fine tune a model to make deep fakes. Oh, you could. You can already do that. There's no reason why not to. There's not any reason why not to. Hey, Anthony Rios, thank you for becoming the #1 gift badger. I appreciate it. I don't know what that means yet, but I thank you. I don't know what that means. Stephen, here comes the soup. Hey, how's it going, SAQ3000? Good to see you. All right, so we got X, the shape looking good. Yes. Yep, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. Looking good there, you guys. All right, thank you for the follows. Appreciate it. Thank you for following. Let's see here. All right, so X looking good. We don't need that. Let's look at Y now. Let's make sure Y looks right. Let's make sure Y looks good, you guys. Does it? Oh, that also looks good. Okay. Are we almost done? Is this it? Will this be the end of... Will we have to end early because we got done so quick? Steve, you love... Hey, Chimera? Chimera, is that how I say your name? You love you? Thank you. Appreciate it. That's really great to hear. That's really like a very positive feedback. That is awesome. Thank you. All right, I think we're good to go here. So we've got our data loader, data set. We're doing batches of batch size 10. We got a very simple. Oh, we got to do one more thing. This needs to be. Can we do sigmoid? Perfect, because the output is now 1 or 0. So we're gonna. You mastered the art of being good host while writing code. I'm trying, Nick Tuck. We're trying. No. Thank you for mentioning it. We're trying. Hey, Quantified Quantum, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Friday. We're going to see if we can finish our deal from yesterday. Also, was there something else I was thinking over the night? That we could modify this slightly more. We can modify this slightly more to be more interesting. We don't need that. We need this is perfectly fine. We don't need cross entropy loss anymore. We don't need that. So how can you do coding? Oh, wait. What do you mean? I saw you video on trying to center a div. Oh, you did? That was funny, right? It's always a challenge to center a div. I never could remember. I'm hard to remember how to center a div. You always think it's like, oh, it's so easy. Nope. It might be fine to like center it like horizontally, but when you want to center it vertically, flex box, like you're trying all the different things. It's a big challenge. It's a big challenge. All right, so batches. Oh, so the total batches. So this is the batches run, right? So is that enough? This isn't very descriptive, but that's fine. Learning rate optimizer looks good. Current batches predict batch. All right. You think we're ready to run it already? I don't know if we're ready to run it. I mean, it seems like we are. John Zachary Kidover, Congressman, welcome in. Thank you for subscribing. Happy Friday. Good to see you. We're going to see if we can get the AI to learn how to draw the Pytorch emblem, you guys. Is the AI going to learn how to draw the Pytorch emblem? We're going to find out. Let's see if it works. All right, we're going to try it right now. Oh, okay, we got a failure. Why? Why did it fail? This is a very big error. Oh, matrixy shapes cannot be multiplied. I know what it is. All right, I know what's wrong. Do you guys know what's wrong? I know exactly what's wrong. I know exactly how to fin. I spent many years doing front-end development professionally, and centering is still a pain, isn't it, Mal? Isn't it still a pain? It's still a pain. I know, it absolutely is. Let's see. Oh, Stephen, how should I implement eval functionality on the bot? Running different code through user safety. Oh, you get a quantified quantum. That sounds like a challenge. You hardly, as much as you can, never do eval. Try to avoid it at all costs. Avoid it at all costs. Are you talking about dynamically loading libraries and modules for the Discord bot? Is that what you're talking about? Stephen owns Bounty Chocolate. Wait, what do you mean? I have. There is chocolate. There is chocolate, you guys. How can I learn to code? Oh, Dimitri, go to our Discord server. Here, check this out. Go to our Discord server, and we have this section called Free Resources. In the Discord server, there's a section called Dr. Angela Yu's. There's a link over here. Dr. Angela Yu, and this is the recommended starting point. It's the recommended starting point. Just go to the Discord server, and you're good to go. And you're good to go. Matt Mole, size issue. Yep, user, you know it. You know it. Hey, bro, may I know what you're doing? Oh, sure. Dine, what we're doing is we're building an AI to draw an image. We're trying to see if we could draw an image. I'm pretty sure. Eval good for SQL injection. It's very good for SQL injection. That's a good point. It's good for other things. It's good for challenges and problems. You don't even have a link. Oh, I need to do that, don't I? I need to put a link there, don't I? I gotta fix that. I got to fix it. Maybe it's something that we could do really quick. Maybe we could do that right now. All right, so let me see here 1 second. Let me go here and we'll grab the link for you guys. Put the link on the thing. We'll do it right now. Okay, so copy button, edit. Wait, hold on 1 second. No limit, never expire, right? Okay, then generate link, copy. We'll copy it here and then we'll put it over here. We'll see if we can do this real quick. 1 second. 1 second. Let me see here. How do we do that? I need to modify. I need to edit the profile. How do we do it? Settings. All right. How do we do this? Over here? We got to do this in settings, right? 1 second, you guys. We're gonna update. We're gonna put the Discord link in the spot. How do we do that? So push add manage ads. Nope. Screen. Nope. Content. No. How do we do this? How do we modify? How do we modify it? Oh, edit. There's an edit button right there. Okay, there we go. There's an edit button. Here we go. We'll put the Discord link right here. We'll put the Discord link right there. All right, save. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Nick Talk, for liking the video. I just saw it pop up there. All right, let's see if it shows up. Okay, so there you go. There you go. Discord link added in right here. Discord link. It is right here. All right, here you go. Discord link. Boom. You got it, you guys. Discord link. Aha! Oh, only certain people could see that. Only certain people could see this one. There you go. It's live. It's on the profile now. It's on the profile now, you guys. All right, let's jump back into it. Okay. Are you programming? Yes, Python. You got it, Marwin. We're doing Python. All right, let's pop back over here in Python. Okay. Was the classical music you played actually copyright free? Well, Kevin McAllister, I don't know if it was actually copyright free or not, but you know what? We didn't get a copyright strike, at least yet. I don't know. It might happen. Add to your bio. We got it. We added it to the bio. Now it's there. It's there, you guys. Now you can click the Discord link and there it goes. All right. So I think we're okay. So what we got to do is we got to modify it. So the input is going to be 2 and the output will be 1. And there we go. There's the answer. It's going to work now, right? It's going to work now, right, you guys? We fixed it. Thank you, Marwin. It's much appreciated. It's a good compliment. Stephen, add colors to your comments so you can see people comments to be read other platforms, the other colors. Oh, then I'll know for sure. See, I might be able to do that. What I need to do is get an aggregator. I need to get an aggregator that will make it so I could do something like that. But I currently do not have an aggregator. How many screens do you have? 1? Well, technically 2. Well, technically 3, but mostly 1. Right? Mostly 1 screen here. I've got mostly 1 screen. But I have a phone over here broadcasting out another stream. And then I've got some other stuff. It works out. We're working out. Oh, whoa. Hey, Michael Essel, thank you for becoming a member. Hey, Michael Essel. And you've got access to all the videos that we put out. We put all the videos, which are basically summaries of the live streams, and it covers just the content on the live stream. What's going on today? Hey, Jay Looney, good to see you. Welcome on in. We're going to see if we can draw the image, and I think I think we're going to have the AI draw the image. We're going to teach an AI how to draw the Pytorch emblem up here. The Pytorch emblem, you guys. The Pytorch emblem. What's your application? I see Pytorch network. Oh, you got it, KK? So KK, the idea is we're going to train an AI to see if it can draw the Pytorch emblem. That's the plan. We need a desk score before end of the stream. Okay, so maybe we could do that. But I've got my phone here. I got my phone here, which is streaming, which could give you a picture of the desk tour, but that's only for those on this other platform. Steven, everyone is saying VInf is the way to go. Virtual environments. Yeah. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Thank you for the likes. Virtual environments. What does it actually do? It just makes it so the libraries and the versions of the runtimes for the coding, the code runtime. So is it Node.js? Is it Python? Is it, Rust? Is it Elixir? Is it Erlang? Doesn't matter. Is it PHP? You want to create virtual environments that you can then load specific libraries and specific versions of the runtime. So that way it targets your code specifically, because you're writing code for very specific versions of the language and specific versions of the libraries. And over time, you want to upgrade and you want to write a new app. And that new app over there will use a different version of libraries and a different version of the runtime. And so you don't want to have to upgrade, because there's a lot of backward incompatibilities when you upgrade. And so it lets you keep your existing application running smoothly without having to worry about legacy problems. So that's how that works. That's what virtual environments are good for. And I use them, as you can see here. We've got a VInf right here on screen. See the little VM, like the VInf right there? Whoa, oh, the whole screen is now yellow. There you go. The whole screen is now yellow, you guys. But yeah, right here, virtual env right here at the top of the screen. That means that we're currently running a VInf. Kamala, good to see you. Welcome in. Happy Friday. Good to have you here. Can I develop AI to create programming languages? You could, but that's going to be a task for you. It will be a task. You only work on a single project. You don't need VInf. That's true. Jay Looney, you're totally right. Plotting a graph via matplotlib, the goal to recreate the Pytorch logo on a graph. You got it, Nick. That's what we're doing. And actually, I think it might work now. All right, do you guys think it will work? I think it's going to work. Or is it going to crash again? We'll find out. Is it going to crash? Is it going to work? Okay. We got a step closer. Okay. I know why now. Because we didn't actually finish yet. We didn't finish. We got to finish it. Okay, so we need a new algorithm here at the bottom. We have to rewrite the algorithm. We completely need to rewrite it. We got to rewrite it, you guys, because it's different now. Because the model output is different. But is it learning? It seems to be learning. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. All right, here, let's do this real quick. Let's just delete this really quick. Let's delete this, and then let's see if it learns. We won't render it yet. We won't render. Here we go. All right, let's see if it learns. New person in the Discord. It's kind of learning. But maybe it's not quite learning enough. I don't know. I'm not seeing what I want. Here. I don't like it. Created a Python interactive game that you can play here on live. That would be a good idea, Buster. That's a good idea. Are you just... yes, we are. We're just writing code we're manually writing code. You're absolutely right. User 102. You're right. We're manually typing code. I know these days you could just use the AI. I know you could just use the AI to write it out for you, though I like to keep my skills up to date. New person in the Discord. Who's that? Thank you. We'll see you next stream. Sounds good. Thank you for jumping in. If I miss any of your chat messages, just let me know. If I miss your chat, just retype them. Retype your chat message and I'll be able to see them, because there's things that are showing up all over the place. Just got all right. Sounds good. Okay. So we have to rewrite. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Hey, Divage Dude. How's it going, Divage Dude? Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We're gonna see if we can get our AI to draw. We're gonna see if we can get our AI to draw something. Is it gonna draw? I don't know. We definitely inverted it, so it's better. It's doing better. It's definitely doing better, but it's not doing as good as I want it to do. So let's see here. Let's close some things. Let's before we draw it, I want to see if we can actually. Okay, so let's comment these things out here really quick. Right. So we'll hide this stuff. We have to rewrite this anyways. We have to fully rewrite that. All right. Wait, no, that didn't save. We got to save it. Okay, let's see here. So we might need to change some of our algorithms. So I'm not seeing, so so you can see the loss. The loss is not looking, we got to fix it, you guys. The loss isn't looking right. The loss is not looking right. Create AI that plays a shooter game. You can do that. You can absolutely do that. And it can get really good at it. And that's a perfect scenario for reinforcement learning. Can you check mine above? Let me see. Michael, let me see if I can find it. It doesn't always. So I'm a data engineer. Nice. Primarily work in SQL. Excellent. Query language, orchestration, data architecture, Python for data manipulation and acquisitions. Okay. I've also done a few machine learning models. What would you suggest moving into AI? Oh, I recommend, so I've got this always open here. It's also in our Discord. It's also, hey, Brian Chin, thank you for subscribing. Happy Friday. We're doing some AI today, you guys. We're going to see if we can get it to work. Oh, I see now I dabble with this, not with the matter, but tried to make an AI that draws. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to see if we can get the AI that can draw. We'll see if we can make it possible. So go here. It's in our Discord. It's in the free resources section. It's a very simple getting started guide for machine learning, and it's the easy mode. I count this as an easy mode because it's optical character recognition. So it's computer vision, and it's very short. It's very quick. And it's very little bit of code. It's like, here's a little bit of code to preparing the data, and then you finally get into the model and the training, and then you're good to go. So it's really quick. It's like an hour. Shyam Sundar, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy to have you in. Is Pytorch more approachable than TensorFlow? No, Matt, Pytorch is less approachable. It's more challenging. There's more to learn. TensorFlow with Keras. That's what you want. You want TensorFlow with Keras, which I'm showing here on the screen here. TensorFlow with Keras is a lot easier. Canned, oh, hey, how's it going? Canned C07. We're going to see if we can get an AI to draw an image. Although I'm not getting the numbers I want here. The numbers are not quite what we're looking for. We might need to make some changes. Maybe because we need to increase the parameters. We might not have enough parameters. Let's see if we can increase the parameters here. We might need a few more parameters. All right, we're going to see if we can make that better. This might actually help it solve it. Let's see. I'd be really happy if this was all that we needed to do. Nope, just kidding. Oh, man. All right. We'll have to keep trying. We'll keep trying. Kind of sad that you need to say that you manually typing code because of AI. Oh, I know, right? Because AI, it will atrophy your skills. No, you need to do hyperparameter tuning. Yeah. Oh, okay. Moonless. All right, hyperparameter tuning. Okay, so we could probably hyperparameter tune here a bit more. Let's do it. So let's reduce our learning rate to see if that does a little bit better. Let's try to reduce our learning rate. Is it a good? Oh, okay. Maybe a little bit better. Let's see. Let's do a few more epochs. Let me see if we can get a few more epochs in here. A few more epochs. Is it going to drop below 2? Or is it going to stay at 2? See, that's the thing. Oh, it is. It's smidgen. It's smidgening. Okay. Look at that. All right. We're doing better now. All right. I'm a little bit happier now. Okay, I'm definitely a little bit happier. We're seeing a lot more ones in there. Okay, so it's kind of learning. Interesting. Changing the learning rate, you can have it automatically tune itself. Yes, Moonless, you're totally right. So I come from a world where I've done all the AI training manually, by hand, from scratch, without a framework. And so what I need to do now is learn the frameworks. That's what I got to do. So I'm not used to it. I'm not used to doing it from the framework. I'm used to doing it manually. So that's why Pytorch is actually kind of nice. Heard of grid search? I have not. Soki, I've not heard of grid search. Learning at school, learn by yourself. The same. It's all good. You're all good, you guys. Kamala, I was finally able to build an metronome. You were a metronome and a sync multiple audio files. It has this week. Kamala, that sounds really neat. That sounds like an exciting project you're working on. Small progress, but feels good to move forward with Python. Kamala, that's amazing. A metronome? That's actually a pretty tricky task. I mean, right? Because it's the metronome, right? The thing that pops back and forth to give you, sort of what the beats per minute for music. 10H gives you vanishing gradients. Use ReLU. Okay, we'll try ReLU. Okay, we'll try do ReLU. So here we'll do Rel. We'll do ReLU. There we go. We're switching it up. You guys. We're doing ReLU. We're switching it up. Hyperparameter tuning on the way. All right, see if we can do better. It is doing a smidgen better, maybe. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Come on, that's really cool. I'm glad you shared that with me. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that with us. Is there some kind of feature selection you can do? Kind of. Maybe. Actually, yes, maybe. We could probably make an improvement. But you know what? It is learning. You can see here that it's actually learning. Okay, so we should be able at a point where we can actually start drawing this. I think we should be able to start drawing it. We might be able to see something. There's a good paper to do tuning. Okay, cool. Overkill, but interesting. A little bit, yeah, I think so. We're trying it. We might need to change up the model altogether. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Thank you for the likes. Also, your input size is 2. Yes, that's too small for anything. No, it's the right size. It's the right size because we might, but you might be right. Because we might want to change our X. We might want to change the input. So right now our input looks like this, which is, basically the coordinates. And so I don't know. It's basically a time series at that point, right? We're doing a time series. Also, so we're going to give it a try. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Just tuned in. What are you doing? Oh, Fed Space. We are building an AI that should be able to try to draw an image with the Pytorch emblem. We're going to see if we can draw the Pytorch emblem. So we just upgraded to RailU. Let's see. Maybe let's get let's do a few more. Let's add a few more parameters because we've got the compute for it. We've got the compute for it. Hey, Kaz, how's it going? Shane Fluke. Hey, Shane, how's it going? My cousin is in here. How's it going, Shane? What are you doing? Are you still doing computer sciencey things, Shane? Shane, we used to hang out in the back of my grandma, but your aunt's backyard. Good, bud. You're doing good. Time series with an image, kind of 2 to 50 is not really gonna do much. Got it. Yeah, you're right. It's not. It didn't do much. You're right. It didn't do much. It didn't do much. Not that much. But you know what? Let's see here. So, yep. All right. So maybe let's go even further. Let's go beefier. Let's find out. Let's see if we can make it beefier. Let's see here. Thank you for your likes, you guys. Let me know if there's any other things that we could try. Maybe you should bump up the learning rate. It's still doing good. It's still doing okay. So let's go back over here. Let's bump this up a smidgen. Upward. There we go. All right. See, we're doing okay. We're not doing terrible. Okay. See, it's better. It's not great. It's definitely not perfect, but we're doing better. We're doing better, you guys. Okay. What a Chad letting his computer train while he talks into chat. I know, right? I know. Let's see here. So I really hope that so it actually is doing okay. So we're seeing better results here. We're seeing some better outcomes. Although we'll need to see here. We'll need to see. Oh, actually, I know what we need to do. Here we go. Okay. Check this out. Losses. This is what I need. Here we go. All right. So losses.append. All right. And then we'll do, we need a sum. We need to sum it. So then we'll see. We're just looking at the batches. So this whole time, we actually might be doing a lot better than I thought we were. You guys. We're going to find out here. I'm kind of excited about this. All right, here we go. I'm starting to feel a lot better. What is that? We are trying to train an AI to draw the Pytorch emblem, right? The little loopity circle thing up there. 500 hidden is too much. You're overfitting. It's okay. We don't need max 64 for what you're trying. Okay. All right. We'll do it. TB ink. We'll do it. Okay. 64. All right. 64. All right. Oop, nope. Right. 64. All right. There you go. 64. Let's keep everything all nice and even. Powers of 2. Let's do powers of 2, you guys. Powers of 2. And then maybe we'll do like something. What is this? Like power 32. There we go. Powers of 2. Perfect. All right. Let's double check to see if that. Oh, wait, no, that won't work. Because we are doing something here. Okay, so losses, and then I want to see what the cost is. Basically, we're going to calculate the cost, you guys. We're calculating the cost. Just to understand, you're trying to output pixel values. You got it. We're doing pixel values, not like 100%. We're doing it's just very simple. Very simple single output, either the pixels on or the pixels off. And then we're scanning over the image. So we could I know we could try some other ways, but this is just the way I wanted to try. Hey, Legendary. Hey, how's it going over there on the purple platform? What are you doing over there on the purple platform? Flip flow. What's flip flow? So it can also be to hide suboptimal solutions. It could be. We could be. Yeah. Wow, that's cool. Isn't it? I thought so. What's the input data? It is just the X and Y coordinates, essentially. We're just doing X and Y coordinates. So you're there. It's essentially X and Y coordinates. Although, I suppose we could bump it up a smidge. I don't think it's going to help. But we could bump it up by 2. We could do something like this. We could bump it up. We could double it. I don't know if that's going to make any difference. Maybe it will. I don't think so. I don't think so. Wait, hold on a second. Is that still okay? Let's find out. We'll just try it. We'll try it. We'll find out. See, it is doing no... All right. Actually, okay. Okay, here we go. All right, check this out. Now, I really want to get this. This is going to make me feel a lot better when I see it like this. All right. So, some losses. The last 100 losses. Perfect. Then we'll go like this. And then we'll print. And then we'll get perfect. Okay. Now, here we go. All right. Hello, Stephen. How's it going? Nathan, what's up? What are you teaching? Flexi. We're trying to get an AI to draw an image. We're trying to get an AI to draw an image. I'm seeing some good things there. Divided by 100. Yep. Here we go. 100, you guys. Divided by 100. All right. Is this going to feel a lot better? I think so. Is it? Yep. Okay. Doesn't that feel better now? It does. It feels a lot better to me. Am I just kidding myself, or am I just making feel better? But it's still over the last 100, so it means that it's actually learning something. It means it's actually learning, you guys. It's actually learning. Look at that. Are you an AI engineer, Soki? Not enough. We want to get better. That's what we're doing. We're trying to get better. How much imbalance is your source? It's pretty balanced. It's regularized. We've regularized it. It's pretty balanced. Basically, it's perfectly even. I'm back, man. Floridian. How's it going, Floridian? Good to see you. Can you please ELI5? Yes, best of Bootman tours. We've got an AI model, and we've got a Pytorch emblem. You see here on the screen, at the top of the screen, the Pytorch red, the red up here on the top of the screen. We're going to see if we can train an AI just to draw the emblem. We're going to see if we can get the AI just to draw the emblem. That's it. And as you can see here on the screen, we actually got some pretty good outcome. All right, I feel a lot better now. I was feeling pretty sad before, but we were only looking at the batches loss, the loss in the batches, but not the cost over time. Good to see you too. Nice. That's awesome. That's great to hear. What is this? I know, right? What is this? You've got an octopus going on there. You got some sort of octopus thing that, or is it what is that? What is that? Thank you for the likes, you guys. All right, what is this? This a squid. It's a squid. Okay, squid 1 to 4. A squid 1 to 4. What are you doing over there? That's unexpected. 50-50. 50-50, Soki? What do you mean? Oh, the output dimensions. It is basically 1. It's just 1. It's just 1, you guys. The output is either 0 for black or 1 for pixel. You got it. You got it, Teebnick. TB Inc. You're 100% right. You figured it out. That's it. You got it. That's it. And so what we want to do is now we want to draw it. Now let's draw it, you guys. Let's see if we can draw it. Actually, also, I want to make myself feel better. I'm going to make myself feel better by doing this really quick. We're going to make it look like the loss is doing better now. Here, we're going to go. Oh, we're going to see what the cost looks like. A little bit better on the cost side. See? Okay. All right. There we go. Isn't that feel a lot better? It does to me. I feel like we're doing better now. What's the recommendation amount of donated WAM I should have to a serve? What? Wait, Tenchi? What is that? What are you talking about? Tenchi, what are you talking about? I'm not exactly sure what you're talking about here. Let's see if we can we, let's see, nope. Let's see if we can bop it. Let's see if we can bop it just a smidgen. Yeah, we can. Oh, that happened just real fast. Okay. That happened really fast. So we probably could, so are we hit it. We hit the bottom already. So let's just undo that really quick. Oh, no, it did go down to 15 though, didn't it? It went down to 15. It went down to 15. I'm going back to the red one. Okay, little delayed. Oh, I think it's Cool. The red one might be faster, you guys. Red one might be faster. So you have around 90% dark pixels and 10% red pixels. That's not too balanced. Oh, is it? Oh, got it. So that's why we're seeing, okay. Ah, yes, the donated wham. The donated wham. Here we go. Are you training model on a data set? Yes, best of, we're basically just a picture. So open Pytorch, right? So we've got a picture here. We got a picture right here, which is this picture right here. It's the picture. But you're right. Okay, so I got it. I got why it's not balanced. I got it. I see what you mean. All right. So now I think we're at the point where we should start drawing the image. I feel like we want to draw the image. I mean, the purple app is faster and the red one is slower. Slower. Oh, is it? Really? I didn't know about that. That's unexpected. You're training a model on a data set. Yes. If it's only 0 or 1, you need BCE with logits loss. Oh, BCE. Okay, so we need to change. So wait. With logits loss. Okay. So we need to change our loss function is what you're saying. BCE. Oh, instead of MSE. Let's do, so loss underscore FN. Let's do, let's see, BCE you said? So I'm not familiar with the PyTorch. Let's see. So here we go. Like this. All right. We'll try it. We'll try BCE. All right. Thank you. TB Inc. Thank you. All right. All right. Looks good here. Let's see if we can make it better, you guys. You could make a picture smaller and make the logo up so it's more the space. Yep, you're totally right. We absolutely could do that. We absolutely could. We could absolutely do that. All right, BCE. It's looking better. Is it looking better? Oh, Tenchi boy, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Thank you for joining in. We are doing AI right now, right? As you can see, we're trying AI. The loss looks less good than MSE. It looks slightly less good. Y.mean. You can print Y.mean. Y.mean. Okay. We'll give it a shot. We'll see what that does. I don't even know what that does. It's not going to work. You need the imbalance level. Got it. Well, it did do a smidgen better. Let's see here. Let's try it. Let's see here. Smidgen. Although I suppose, let's see if we do. Let's change up the loss function to cross entropy loss. I don't think that's going to make any difference. Oh, yeah, that does not work at all. It doesn't like that. No, let's go back to MSE. See, I'm familiar with MSE because I've written this by hand before. Waiting for the render. All right, real green blob. Me too. I'm really excited about it. I think we should do a render. Pose y equals 1 that sum. All right, hold on a second. We've got some algorithm stuff happening here. Position weights equals negative over positive. Wait, what are you talking? So see, these are a criterion equals, which is the loss. BCE with logits loss. Okay, BCE with logits loss. Okay, let's try that. We'll try BCE with logits loss. BCE with logits loss. All right, 1 second. There we go. BCE with, what do you see? W. Perfect. Okay. All right, we'll try that one. S weights equals torch center position weight. Weight. Okay, so that's for the balancing. Got it. Okay, so we might have to do that here in a second. We'll see. We'll see. For whatever reason, it is learning. So maybe we can bump up the learning rate. Maybe bump that up a bit here. Let's see. Drop that. Oh, the opposite direction. There we go. So it is learning. It's learning. Is it learning? Yeah, there we go. All right, looking good. Oh, then it kind of hit a floor there. Okay. So I think we're at the point where we want to start drawing. Let's start drawing, you guys. I'm currently working on a browser-based game running off of Flask and Python server that will be using the chat API to pull chat commands. The game will be played over live streams. Ooh, that sounds like a good idea. That would be great. That's like a great way to interact with the audience, right? A great way to interact with the audience. Can I see the neural architecture real quick? Yeah, it's really straightforward. It's not a big it's basically a linear sequential one. It's really simple. We're doing a really simple one, you guys. You can make let's see here. Looks advanced level stuff. I only know linear and logistical regression. Yep, best of. Yep, you got it. This is just a smidge above that, but it's not too far off. It's definitely not too far off. Fast API, better than Flask. Yep, fast API is a smidgen better. You got it. Interactive for sure. Yeah, it will be very interactive. That sounds awesome. That's like a good idea. You could also loop testing different learning rates. Oh, and printing the mean to the loss. Sogi, that's a good idea. That's a good idea because then we can then we don't have to manually tune it. Let me go back to MSE really quick to see. Let's go back over to MSE real quick. So MSE it has a lower loss, but I don't know if that's just how it's calculating it. Okay, let's see. Also, I think what we could do is we could also bump let's go here. I want to, where's this at? I'm looking for a very specific thing. Where is it? Oh, my data loader here. My data loader, where's that at? Here it is, up here. Okay. Let's bump this over here because we could just bring this up to the top. Let's just bring this to the top here because we don't need it. And then data loader, let's see what happens when you do this real quick. Whoops. All right, 1 second. All right, we're doing okay. So this should be higher. The loss should be higher. Not that much though. Not that much. Okay. Looks like it. Let's see here. How long are you going to stream today, Eddie? Until we start drawing on the screen and see how good the drawing looks. That's what it is. We actually, your neural net only outputs 1 pixel. Then it will learn to output the average value of the entire image. You have to output all pixels, not just one. Got it. So then what would the input look like? So we could totally do that. We could do a full spectrum for the output. So that was the other plan. So we could do like a giant cross entropy loss. We could do that. We could absolutely. Oh, finally a Pytorch stream. Yay! Fever Dreams. Yeah, it's a Pytorch stream. Fed space. You might be right. You know what? That was my second option. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to do 100% of the out. My issue is the Pendulum is a little too hard to feel like it could code like this. All good. Hey, it's all good. Please draw the image. All right, in VChat, we're gonna do it. We're gonna draw the image now. All right, so we can optimize the algorithm and we can definitely make it better. And then we can also do this with a larger output size, which was recommended. A really good recommendation. It's an amazing recommendation. It is probably what we need to do. But for now, since we're working on this exciting project right now, I want to start drawing it. So we've got our output and we've got our X, Y. So our X and Y will be, let's see here. How do we want to do this? So we need to convert the X. So we need to loop through it the right way. How do we want to draw this? So we have to recreate it. A real AI guy used NumPy for the whole net. Yeah, exactly. We did this live on stream. We did this previous stream. We wrote an entire net from scratch using NumPy. We did it before. We actually made it. We made it work real. We really did it. Look at this. The output 1 pixel and it has to be 1, and then when it's not red, it's 0. But it has no idea what spots are where in the image, so it will just learn the average. Got it. So that's basically what we're doing. So it's going to learn the average, which means it's probably going to draw a line. It's going to draw a line somewhere, some stuff in the middle. So you're probably right. And so what we got to do is we definitely have to do what you we're going to definitely have to do what you recommend. I'm 100% sure that that's going to make it a lot better. But before we do that, though, let's start drawing. I'm going to draw. Okay, so let's get the output. So the X, so we need that. We need this. We'll get the points. And then what I want to do is I'm just going to type break so we can get out, and we want to print the points. I want to see what the points look like. Thank you for the likes, you guys. All right, here we go. Then we also need the X. So I'm going to see what that looks like. So we should see, okay, perfect. Okay, so what does that look like? Yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. So I want to see more, though. Let's see if we can see more. Points.numpy. Can I say list? Can I just do this real quick? I want to see more of it. I want to see more. This is it. So let's take a peek. All right, so this is what the image looks like. It's all the average. Right? Wait. You're right. You're right. Okay, if we drew this, it wouldn't look very good. A, B, C, D, E, X, Y, Z. How's it going? Thank you for subscribing. So it is absolutely the average. You're right. It's totally the average. I'm just popping it up here. Do I see anything else? Nope. It's just right down the middle, isn't it? And it is exactly the average. You got it overfitted. Yep, you're right. Okay. So what we could do is we could draw a line if you want to. What's the point? Or we could change so that the output is the width and height. Okay, so we do need to point this over here. Let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna follow the recommendation. We're gonna follow the recommendation. You guys, we're gonna take a detour here, you guys. We're gonna take a detour. All right. So now we've got the width and height. Let's let's bring this over here a second. Over here, I think this is fine. Bring that down there, looking good. So we need to make this dynamic. So this will be the width times height. H-E-I-G-H-T. There we go. Width times height. So that'll be the output. The input, what is the input? What is the input? Just a linear, it'll be a linear number. Just like a 1. We'll just do a linear number. Okay. So we're detouring, guys. Your idea works. You can have an X, Y as input. Oh, and the output is the pixel values. The pixel value. Wait. Oh, I see what you're talking about. It's a one hot. It's going to have 1 pixel on for the X and Y coordinate. Okay. There we go. I see what you're doing. This is gonna fix it, you guys. This will fix it. Are you ready? This will fix it. All right, I totally understand it now. It's clear now. I got it. I figured it out. All right, thank you. TB Inc. Okay, XY is input. Yep. All right, cool. TB Inc. All right, that's great. We're gonna do this, you guys. All right, this is gonna happen. It's really gonna happen. I'm excited about this. Okay, almost 90 viewers. Nice. Oh wow, what unexpected. That's great to see. What are everyone doing here? It's Friday. We're just hanging out on Friday, I guess, doing some Pytorch and Python. All right, so now our X, we've got our X, we're good there, X. Now we want the Y is going to be, what we need to do is create, each one's going to be a range, and then at range, this is what we need to change. We need to change this right here. So Y, instead of it just being one value, it's going to be the value of the pixel. It's going to be the value of the pixel. What are we doing? Glenn, we are building an AI that's going to draw a picture, and it's really going to work now. It's really going to work because thank you over here to those people who are on this other platform has helped me a lot. Are you coding a Raspberry Pi? This is, Matthias, this is just a regular PC. A Mac, sorry. We're running on a Mac. We're just running on a Mac. Either way, you have one data point. It will overfit and work. Yeah, you got it. You're totally right. It'll totally work. It's okay if we overfit. It's absolutely fine if we overfit because we get the one data point, which is one picture. That's it. That's all we're trying to do. We're just going to get one picture to work. Okay. So what we have to do here is we have to modify this to be the dimensions, right? So let's do this. All right. So let's go res. Let's do res. We'll just call it resolution equals. I'm going to bring this over here. I like my indenting to be pretty. Don't you guys? I like my indenting to look nice. So resolution will be height time width. Yep, there we go. And then we need to create a range of the res. We can do the same here. However, we need to, so let's bring this back over here. Let's see here. Actually, you know what? Data equals, we'll do this. Data equals this. Perfect. And then we need to get the position. What we need to do is get the pixel position, you guys. We need to get the pixel position, Android or Apple. Android. So Android on phone and Apple on computer, you guys. Android on phone and Apple on computer. Which platform you have the most viewers? The red one. On the red one, you guys. On the red one, at least as far as I can tell. I don't. I tend to not look at those numbers because it's distracting. But if you want the output to be entire XY hit only one pixel, you can use the method I suggested before. Input, give info about where that pixel will be in the image. Yep. Okay. Perfect. That's what we're doing. We've got the info about where it is in the image. So this is the info on the image, right? And then we need to decode. We need to decode this when we're creating the position. Although we don't necessarily have to because we already know what it is. All we have to do is draw it. And we might draw it. We'll try different ways. Okay. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out because now we've got the picture, you guys. We've got the picture. Data at position is this, and then equals 0. Let's see. This needs to be 0. So hold on a second. Hold on. This is not quite right. So we need it to be. Is it going to be? Let me double check here. Is this it? No, it's H. Maybe it is. Maybe this is it. So I think it needs to be H times W, right? Isn't it just be H times W? No. Yes? No? Yes? Let me think. We got to think about this for a second. We got to do this right. Can I have all your Vim dot files? Yeah, absolutely. We've got it on our Discord channel. We've got the Vim dot files on the Discord channel. What's the red one? It's the one that's red. It's the one that's red instead of, it's not the purple one, it's not the red one, and it's not the other one. That's a different color. There you go. There you go. Yeah, it's in our Discord. So the bim.files are in our Discord. Kevin, you still here? Is Kevin McAllister still here? All right, so I need to think about this really quick. So the output needs to be the position of the pixel, and we've got the width and the height of where we currently are located. So do we just, no, we just do width plus height, right? Right, just this, right? This is what we do, width plus height. We don't need anything else. All right, I thought it through. We've got the answer. We got the answer, you guys. All right, so this is data. Actually, we don't need that there. We could just go like this. Y.data. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. That's exactly what I want. Yes. All right. Perfect. Okay. So now it's all pretty. We get it all pretty and aligned up there. So now we're going to generate output. Generate output data. Let me spell correctly. Generate. Perfect. Do you like Germany? Germany's fine. Germany is a country, you guys. Germany is a country for sure. That's what I can tell you about that. Germany's fine. Okay, so data, let me double check this. Looking good. So if it's over, if the pixel value is big, then we make it a 1. If it's not big, we make it a 0. Sounds good to me. And then we get our position, and then we're good. Okay, perfect. Perfect. All right, I'm pretty happy about this. Can you please let me know how can start Python? We don't have any programming experience. Okay, so in our Discord, you guys, what's image tensor? Image tensor. Do I have an image tensor? Oh, this is just the image. That's just the image right here. Image tensor, that's just the image. It's the pixel data. It's a pixel data with 4 channels, red, green, blue, and alpha for the opacity or the transparency, right? And that's the image tensor. That's all that is. That's all that is. And we're only getting the red value. We're just getting 0. Hey, Ruslan, thank you for subscribing. Happy to have you here. We're going to actually do it today. It's really going to work. It's really going to work. I'm really excited about this. Sorry. There we go. Click that button there. We're going to get the AI to draw. Run it. It's not ready yet. We can't run it yet. The Science Bro, we're almost there. We're almost there. So now I've got the input and output data. We're looking good. Let me double check. We've got the model. We've got the optimizer. We got to change the cross entropy. We got to go to change this. I know we got to do that. We got to keep our losses there so we can track our losses, which is really to calculate the cost. What are you making? Vanch, we are making an AI that can draw a picture. And it's going to draw the Pytorch emblem. See the little pretty emblem up here at the top of the screen? We're going to draw it. We're going to have the AI draw it. The AI is going to draw it. But before we draw it, we need to see if it can learn. If we can see if it learns properly. Okay. So we're going to try to train it. All right. Slower. Let's see here. Hi, sir. Just started Python 1 week ago, and I wanted to ask you, do Arduino. Oh, Arduino's great. I love programming microprocessors. They're awesome. They're a lot of fun. Layers do 3. Oh, wait, we got some information over here. Layers do only 3 with ReLU between 128, 128. So do we need to bump it up? Is what you're saying? Do we need to increase the layer size? Kamran. Hey, how's it going, Kamran? Shootery. Welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. We're going to be doing, 113 viewers. What do you know? All right. That's great to see. What is everyone doing here? What are you doing? Hanging out over here learning some Pytorch with me. We're learning some Pytorch together. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the likes and the reactions, you guys. Let's see here. Oh, sorry. There's a lot of chat messages. Do you have ever worked on a big tech? Yes, I have many years ago. And then I started a company and never looked back. Never looked back, you guys. Just started cybersecurity a week ago. What's happening right now? We're doing Mister, we're doing AI, Mister. You're back. Quantified Quantum's back. All right. Convert data into list can assign to range. We might have to do that. Oh, okay. Perfect. Yes, you're right. We might have to do that. I think that's like this next step we got to do. Can you teach me a little bit on private call on Discord? Oh, yeah. Join the Discord and we can set it up. You guys. I can make it a thing. Join our Discord. Okay. So I think this looks good. All right. Let's rerun this now. Is this going to do? Okay. 1 second. Oh, okay. We've got a problem. You guys. Why doesn't it like that? That's a perfectly reasonable thing. Why is it not like that? Wait, line 41. All right, let's bump into this. What's wrong, you guys? 41, GG. No, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. What is it talking about here? Let's see, X, Y, data range looks good. Resolution, with the height, the pinned. All right, we got a little problem here. We got to figure it out. Range object does not support. Oh, I know. Okay. How do we create? Oh, list. Is that what someone was saying? We got to do list. Is that what it was? Someone was saying do list. All right, that's the whole point. All right, let's see here. See if we can do it now. Yep. Oh, it's doing something. It's definitely slow for some reason. I don't know why it's slow now. Why is it slow? Oh, it could be a lot of lists. It could be doing a lot of lists. All right, something happened here. It's not even can't. What did we do? HTOP, what is going on here? All right, so we've maxed out a process here. What is it? Let's see here. Where are we at? Uh-oh. All right, it blew out of memory. We're blowing out of memory, guys. We got to close. We got to stop that. Okay, cool. All right, it stopped. All right, we did something. Whoopsie. We whoopsied on something there. We got to fix that. Don't do list. Okay, we won't do list. That definitely caused a problem. All right, here we go. Let's close this. X. All right. So we can't do this. We need to. What we could do is, can we do this once? We'll call it data, and we do a range here, and then we do list once here, right? So that should work okay. And then we need to zero out. We need to zero out the previous value. Steven, what is your Discord name? It will be on our. It's on our page. It's on our profile. You can click it on our profile, but I'll paste it into you real quick. I'll paste it in for you real quick. All right, so we'll copy it and paste it. Oh, here we go. Just for you, the Discord link. Here's the Discord link. All right, so that is who said that? Here we go. There's the Discord link. Did I spell your name correctly? Yes. No, I did not. I did not spell your name correctly. Sorry, 1 second. We got to spell your name correctly. I apologize. I didn't spell it right. Here we go. Just see, where is it? KAM448. Okay, now we got it. Now we got you. There you go. All right, paste it in. Got you there. Won't be have any chance to learn trade before it's too late. What do you mean? All right, so bop back over here. All right, viewers, typo. Oh, all good. Okay, so we got the data. We got one data. Here's a list. So now let me see if this doesn't crash the system this time. It seems to be crashing again. Uh-oh. All right, let's see. We've got to throw that back. Okay, so where is this? Okay. Oh, maybe the batches, too many batches. Let's see here. Is the batch size too big? Let's see, batch size. This is the batch size. Where is it? Isaac. Hey, how's it going, Isaac? Welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. Into nothing. Hold on a second. Okay, 1 second. Let's see here. Is it still? Okay, cool. So what's causing the slowness? We got to figure it out. We got to figure out what's causing the slowness here. Blocking your comments? Yes. Yep, you got it. It's blocking your comments. I think. Wait, no. Is it? It's not blocking all of them. It executes code block. Sorry, I haven't been reading. So I'm thinking on how isolated is it using a good idea. What is your, okay. Human voice better than bot? Yeah, it is. Doing good. Let's see here. YouTube. Let's see. Import pill. Right. We could do pillow. Well, we'll do pillow. Maybe Steven, my Discord has Hardy plays. Okay. You can add me. Okay, cool. Sounds good. Hey, how's it going? Saki. How's it going, Saki? Welcome on in. We're trying to get our AI to draw a picture. We're trying to get it to draw a picture, but it went slow all of a sudden, and we're trying to figure out why. Why did it go slow? Data list range. So this should be perfectly fine. This should be fine. Let me see here. Is this a problem? Here, let's see here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this. We'll just say data equals this. We need to debug here. We got to debug, you guys. We got to debug. Okay, so data equals that. And then let's go over here and then run it. See if it works. Okay, so far so good. Sorry, typo. No worries. Okay, that generates a grid. You're doubling loops plus item. Yes. Yeah, I think that's what the problem was. I think you're right. So that's what we got to debug here. So we'll debug it real quick. So we'll see where our problem is. Our output size just grew a lot. Our output size grew a ton. So it used to be 1, right? It used to be 1, and then it jumped up to a much bigger number. It jumped up to a much bigger number. So let me see here. Data, we won't worry about that. We'll just y.append data. We'll just do 0 here real quick. We'll do that. Let's see. And then, okay. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Let me just get this back into the right shape really quick. So we'll do this really quick. I want to turn this back into 1. 1 output. There we go. Oh, also, yeah, no, sigmoid's fine. We can leave that there. Sigmoid's fine. Let's see now. Perfect. Okay. All right. We're back into it, you guys. We're back into it. So this might be a problem here. So let's see if we can do that here. We'll bring that back. It might be too big. Dang, I wish I could go. Hey, all you have to do is start CM. Wait, what do you mean CM? See Discord. Okay, I'm going to look at Discord real quick. We're looking at Discord. See Discord. Are my comments visible live on chat? Some of them are. Some of them are not. Some of them are not showing up over here. Live on chat. Yes, some of them are live on chat, but not all of them. Not all of them, you guys. All right. 1 second. We almost there. So this, let's see if we can get this. All right. So data append data. We might be too beefy. We might be a little too beefy. So let's see here. 32. This might be the problem here. We need to reduce this. I think we need to reduce this. So let's drop this down to like maybe something like 4. Let's try this. 4 and 4. Let's see if that's better. We'll see if that's better, you guys. Can you paste your code on Discord? Sure. Absolutely. We absolutely could. All right. Good. Hey, width and height. Okay. So looking over here. Perfect. Okay. Resolution. Bring this back. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. All right. Is it going to work now or are we going to crash again? Yep. All right. We're hitting the limits. We're hitting the limits of our system. I think the deal is we're hitting the limits. So we got to figure out how to make it less. We could probably scale down the image. I think that's what we got to do. We might have to scale down the image. You guys. What is a personal Discord ID? It should be Stephen LB. All right, so can you check out BWrap Bubble Wrap? I'm thinking of using it to run command code isolation. Oh, that sounds kind of interesting. That sounds like a good idea. Hey, Hottie Sab. Hey, how's it going? Saw you posted there on Discord. You are messing with the model. It will crash. You input a single XY coordinate and output a full image. Yes. What IDE you use? This is Vim. We're using Vim, you guys. VI. This is Vi. We're using Vim here. This is Vim. VIM, you guys. All right. So we've got that. We're looking good there. So what we probably need to do is reduce the image size. I think it's just a smidgen too big. Just a little bit too big here. So, I mean, but width and height can't be that big, right? So what is it? It's like, let's say 200 times 200. That's only 40,000. I mean, that is a lot. Don't get me wrong, but that is a lot. So maybe we can like divide it by 2 or something. Maybe let's do like divide by 10. Let's do a divide by 10. All right, I think we'll just try divide by 10, and then can we do like let's see, like this, right? We have to do double forward slashes. Hey, Ken Storm. Actually, we could do it like this. We could do it like this, like that. Hey, Ken Storm, thank you for joining. Oh, and GAI3E. How do you say your name? I don't know. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. We're doing some artificial intelligence here, you guys. We're trying to get the AI to draw an image. We're just playing around with the numbers. All right, let me double check this. This is what this Python likes. So 10 dot, like we're going to divide by something like this. It doesn't. All right, so let's do 100. So let's see here. Or let's see here. Let's go 2. Perfect. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So it is a double, which is weird, right? Isn't that weird? Isn't it weird that you have to do double forward slash? All right, we learned that previously on stream. Whoa, coding on Friday. You got it. Big J to J. How's it going? Welcome on in. Happy to see you. We're trying to get the AI to draw a picture, but you know what? We need to do better. We're making improvements. We double backed twice. We're updating the algorithm to make it even better. All right, so we reduced the resolution by a lot. And so that actually probably is fine. The only problem is I need to think about how the H and W is working, because we're going to scan the whole image. However, this is a problem here because we are reducing the resolution, but are we doing it the right way? Round, I think, is not sure, though. It is. Yep, you got it. You got it. Yep, it is double forward slash. Double forward slash is rounding. You got it. Double forward slash is rounding. Okay, so we've got the pixel value. We know we're good there. So that will be... So the problem is we can't do this. We can do this, though, maybe, where we divide by 10 like that. I think this will do the trick, right? If we do it like this... And that makes the image a lot smaller. We can train the data on a lot smaller, a lower resolution, on a much lower resolution. So that might be. Add you on Discord, please. Add me. Okay, cool. Sounds good. We'll do it after stream here. We'll do it after stream. We'll add you after stream. Pytorch in 2025. That's what we're doing. You got it, Tito. Pytorch. We're doing it by hand too. We're not even using the AI. We're doing it by hand. All right, so. This looks okay to me, maybe. Is it going to crash this? Nope, wait 1 second. Bring that back up. Is that going to blow out memory? Let's see, H-top. Okay, good. It didn't blow out memory that time, but it did crash, which is okay. Input, let's see here. 0 target. Okay, so what we need to do is, this looks correct. Here we go. The resolution needs to be this. Here we go. That 10. All right. It would be nice if we just outputted the resolution. Always a thinker. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. We're gonna see if we can draw this. We're gonna see if we can draw a picture. We're gonna have the AI draw a picture. That's what we're doing. We're gonna see if we can get the AI to draw a picture. All right. Is it better now? Yes, it is. It's better now. Look at that. Although the loss is pretty amazing. Yeah, the loss is a mid and high. It's a little bit too big. The loss is just a little bit big there. But it's working now. All right, we're doing better. Okay. Hey, we got it working at least. Okay, so how do we? Okay, so. Are we doing it proper? Let's see if we can. What's the difference between CTO and CEO? Sorry if that's a dumb question. Well, CEO kind of manages the team. CTO sort of helps drive the technology. If you can think of it like that, it's a good way to think of it. To help driving the technology, enabling the teams and the business on the tech side. That's what that is. Although there are different kinds of CTOs, right? So you can have non-technical CTOs, which doesn't make any sense because Chief Technical Officer. There's a lot of CTOs that don't have like a lot of software engineering background, and they just might be more of like a a fuzzy product-oriented. Or you could have someone who's like very technical, or who works with the teams. There's a lot of different options there. What are we doing here? What's the model? We're building an AI that can draw an image. We're building an AI that draws an image, you guys. All right, so let's see here. I need to lower the batches. Let's see. Where's my batch? So batch. Where's that at? Batches. Where is our batches at? How do we do that? That's not where it's at. Where is it at? Oh, here we go. Data loader. Perfect. I need to get this up here. This is where that needs to go there so that I can see it better. All right, let's get the batch size down to, let's just do 2. We'll do 2. Let's try to lower the batch size there. That'll make it a little bit better, I think. Steve, please, right now, going to sleep in 10 minutes. I might be able, you guys, we're not going to have to, it's not learning. It's learning smidgens, but not enough. Maybe we have to, let's bump up the learning rate here. Let's drop this down there. All right. Let's see if that's a smidgen better. Hey, Teepnik. All right, so we got a much better, let's go here. Let's go over to Discord. All right, let's check this out. Okay, so we're using Pillow, import image, got NumPy here, data loader, utils. Here, I'm going to copy and paste this so we can look at this in a bigger screen. I'll copy and paste so we can look at a bigger screen here. Thank you for pasting this in. I appreciate it. All right, so real quick, let's see here. Bring this back over here. Let's close that out. We'll go C, PB paste to a, wait, who posted that real quick? It was, here it goes. TB Inc. TB Inc. Thank you for doing that. All right, let's bring this back over here. We'll say tbinc.py vi TB Inc. Here we go. All right, so this is the improved version. Apparently that's going to work a lot better. Coordinates list, pixel list. Oh, I see. Okay. I see where you're doing. Okay. This could be the thing. Okay, so you're straight up, you're not using torch vision. You're using to open the image. And Aditya, thank you for subscribing. We're looking through some Python code here that TB Inc. just posted to us that's probably going to do a lot better than what we were doing before. Normalize it to -1 to +1. Okay. And then if I see what your output looks like, he posted more. Oh, he posted more? Even more? Okay, here we go. Oh, class image. Oh, so we need more here. Class image MLP. Is that in here? So image MLP. Wait, what is that for? What is this class for? Forward. Oh, okay, so you're actually writing it for us. You're going to write the whole thing? You're going to write the whole thing? You're going to make it easy. You're going to make it easy for us. We don't even have to do anything. All right, so picture quit. So pb paste ... tb inc by tb inc. Here you go. So here we go. All right. This is the image net. Okay. So Torch, you've got a sequential model. All right. Looks good. One output. The one output? Really? Wait, seriously? I thought we needed a much bigger output. I'm rewriting your code as you go. Thank you. Thank you for doing it. You can skip that if you just use TensorFlow. Yeah, you're totally right. No, TensorFlow is a lot better. Though, oh, you know what, you guys? I do have to get going. So we're hitting a time limit here. We're running out of time. Let me double check calendar. I gotta check my calendar really quick. Today calendar. Okay. Yep, I gotta get going. I do gotta get going, you guys. But we'll try the best. To see if we can get. We might have to postpone till Monday. Before we get our image working. We might have to postpone. Let's see here. So, do you have a 3D printer? Nope, I do not. Air chance we can live stream on horizontal format. That is a common request. People have been asking for this. Yes. So it might be something that we do here. Have a great weekend, my friend. Hey, Nick Talk. Thank you. We do got to get going, but we have a few more minutes. We got like 7 minutes. We got 7 minutes here real quick. Thank you for liking the live. Appreciate it. Thank you for following. Thank you for the follows, you guys. Let's see here. So let me bunk back over here. So 1 second. All right. 1 second. Friend requests. Pending. Here we go. Okay. Added the friend. Okay. Here we go. Hello. We added you. Hopefully you saw that. Okay. Let's jump back over here to our window. Econ Wolf, how's it going? Can we really build an AI app without any code knowledge, as these gurus claim? Absolutely. You can absolutely do it. Happy weekend. The entire thing works. Does it? Okay, that chat is blocking the captions right now. Oh, oops. Sorry. 1 second. All right, looking good there. Okay, yeah. There we go. In Discord. Perfect. Okay, let's jump back over here to Discord. All right. Okay, train model. T class MLP def train model. All right, the whole thing. Oh wow, did you have an AI write this? I mean, you came up with that pretty quick, especially since you've been using Pillow and stuff like that. All right, so let's close that. PB paste in vi TB Inc. Okay, so is this even eval? Okay, eval Torch reconstruct. Do you have the train? You have the train model.train. Train model. Reconstruct image. Okay, let's try it. Python TB Inc. Let's see what happens. We got a problem. Image path. Oh, got it. We got to update that. Let's update that real quick. Vi TB Inc. Path image path. Here we go. Where is that at? Dataset image path here. Download is going to be Pytorch. All right, let's try it again. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, wow. That's actually good. I mean, and if you're looking at the loss, that's actually really good. That's actually really good. Would this be the best thing ever within like 5 minutes if we see an actual outcome? Oh, wow. Look at that. That was beautiful. That was wonderful. It doesn't run well. It runs perfectly nice. That's wonderful. What are you talking about? Look at this. Look at how beautiful that is. That's way better than my code. We're going to have to look at it. I wrote most of it quick. Bug fixes with AI. I figured as much. I figured it was so that's one of the things we're trying not to use AI. We're trying to do it manually. All right. So what we need to do is now we need to draw the image. Let's see if we can actually have the AI draw. All right. So that'll be the last thing. Can we do that in 4 minutes? Do you guys think we can do it in 4 minutes? All right. Let's close that by TB Inc. Let's see. So here's the image, reconstructed image. Draw the image. All right. So with we can plot. Let's see if we can do it. I don't know. Guys. I don't know. We'll find out here. Let's see. 1 second. Let's see here. Show the image. Open image. No, we cannot. We're not going to do that. That's not right. That is incorrect. That is not the way to do it. That's not the way to draw it. Let's see here. It's what you would think it would expecting. Yeah, in a simple task, I figured as much. The model I made run entirely in Roblox does not run well. Yours runs a lot better. Oh, does it? Well, you know what? Here we go. Why don't you go live every day? Monday through Friday. I know we don't go on the weekends. We don't go on the weekends because we have we got other things we got to do. No, my comment above that. Okay, Madi, 1 second. Madi, I did a cursed thing. Oh, you did? And made your own Pytorch library like Roblox and made a model with it? That's the way to do it. That's what we did too. That means that helps you learn. You're doing it correct. You're doing it the right way. That's the way to do it. Hey, how's it going, Bobo Bear? You're joining out the end of stream. Like we are wrapping up here. We got to see if we can get. So we've got the reconstructed image from the model, right? So here's the model. It actually learned. It did a really good job, and it did a lot better than what we did, for sure. But now I'd like to print it out. So let's just print this. Let's print this here. What does that look like? I don't think we have enough time to draw. I don't think we have enough time, you guys. Let's see. Let's close this. All right. Python TB Inc. Oh, we have to relearn it all over again. All right. We got to relearn it all over again. We probably don't need that many epochs, though. There's a lot of epochs in there, but this will be fine. Let's print it out. Oh, no. I know, right? Neural network in Roblox is insane. Kudos. I thought it was that's actually pretty good. You're right. Look at that. Okay. Oh, all right. Okay. So I get it. Okay. So let me, I don't know about that. I don't know, but it looks like it's okay. So let me see that real quick. All right. We don't have much time. You guys. We got to get going. All right. Image. All right. See if we can load it real quick. So I'm going to, we need to import matplotlib here. Where is that? Here we go. Up. All right. Paste that in. All right. Perfect. And now we need to go plot. Let's grab the plot. Here we go. Plot. Look for the plot. Figure size. Plot. Oh, wait. Is that? Yes. Okay. Draw Pytorch image. Okay. Perfect. All right. Let's see. Title. CLF. We can do that. Let's see here. Well, let me grab the whole thing really quick. We'll grab the whole thing. Paste it in. Close that. All right. There's very little time. We got very little time, you guys. There's not a lot of time left here. All right. What do we want here? All right. So, all right. Looks good. All right. Okay. I want to actually get my model to work. You have a GPU. We'll train faster. Yep. It's running on the GPU. Or is it? Is it running on the GPU? I can't tell. Let's see. It needs to. It's running. You might be right. We need to set the device. You're probably right. We need to set the device. So let's see here. How do we set the device? Tensor data set, data load, model plane, MSE. Oh, all right. Atom W. Or at regular Atom, I guess. Regular Atom optimizer. We're out of time, you guys. We're out of time. TB Inc. Python original reshape. Oh, 1 second. Are you drawing the image for us? Oh, you are. Okay, thank you. Perfect. All right, we'll just copy and paste it. We'll copy and paste it. Oh, that's it right there. You did it. That's it right there. That's exactly what we're trying to do the whole time. All right. Oh, that's so cool. All right. And so instead here, PB paste into TB Inc. by TB. All right. We'll see if we can run it locally here. Let's see. That. Okay. Looks good. Okay. Original reshape. Okay. Looks good. Okay. All right, we're going to try it. We're going to try it. Let's see if it works. At least we'll have something to show at the end of the stream. It would be easier just to learn to draw the image yourself. Why are you doing this? Well, because Ludwig the Dragon, because we want to, image rec. Okay, so we're missing image rec. Where is that? / image rec. So is this, I think this is right here. Okay, reconstruct model. So this will be this right here. Okay, perfect. All right, so it needs to be this variable. All right, perfect. We'll paste that. We'll do that here as well. Just so we'll close it. All right. Let's see here. We're running a little late, guys. We're running overtime. At least I had good luck with GelU instead of RelU. That's another good optimization we could do, Madi. You're right. Another good optimization. Language model in Roblox. Intentionally cursed project. Currently surprised it worked all out. Let's find out if it works. There we go, you guys. All right. There you go. There you go. What do you know? The AI here. So the original and the AI. So here's the deal. Yes, we cheated. Yes, chat. You wrote the code for us. Thank you. But look, you can see what the AI wrote over here and what the original image looks like. We just trained. Well, technically, chat. You did this. You guys. Thank you. This is a good end to a Friday, isn't it? Isn't that a good end to the Friday? I think this is great. Look, you guys, it's beautiful. There you go. So AI right here on the right side and the original on the left. There you go. That's great. TB Inc. Thank you for doing that. Thank you. And also thank you for I know, isn't that neat? AI can do these things. AI can really do these things. This is great. We did it, you guys. Oh, wow. Well, I mean, chat, you did it. You did it, chat. Thank you. I knew it was possible. Obviously, I still want to try to see if I can do it myself. But look, this is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is wonderful to see. This is great. This is the good end to a Friday. Thank you, you guys. We did it, chat. We did it together. All right, everyone. That was a good stream. You guys. It was amazing. We did a really good job here. Look at that, real simple. And I like to see image and image show. I like that. Image show, very nice. Image show, that's great. Slightly blurry. Yeah, it's a smidgen blurry. That's okay. It's okay though. Here, let me bring this back up on screen. It's a smidgen blurry. You know what? But we can make it better. If we really wanted to, we could really make it better. We could also make it like the right color and other things like that. We can make the right color. We can make it the right color too. Now time to build LSTM to predict time series data. Yep, we could do that. We've done that a lot before. But you might want to look into, instead of LSTM, you might want to check out Transformer, because it's a little bit better. It's just the output. That's just the output. You can make it sharp. Oh, that's a good idea. I didn't even think of that. We could do that as well. I'm not being picky. I just want to know why it's blurry, because the AI learned how to draw it. And so it's an approximation. That's what the AI does, you guys. Isn't it neat? We did it. So, I mean, chat, you did it. May God bless you, bro. Thank you for saying. So we did good. Chat, thank you for everything. Chat. This was a good end to a Friday. All right, you guys, we're going to be back. We'll be back next week. We'll be back on Monday. We'll figure out some other things to do. We'll have some other tasks. We'll do some new fun things. Maybe some more image fun. Maybe we'll take what TB Inc. has helped us with here, and we'll try some other things. Maybe we'll mess around with some of the things there. I don't know. Let me know, chat. Let me know what you want to do. Join our Discord to let us know what we want to cover next. What other topics we could try. I would like to learn more of Pytorch, the framework itself, instead of. Thank you. Bye, Bobo Bear. Thank you for the goodbye. Good stream. Good day. Long stream, but fun. Yep. Bloody Legendary. Thank you for mentioning it. How do I make ChatGPT wrapper out of this? Adonis, good question. I really want to know about this. Bye, bro. Bye, everyone. Subscribed. Cool. Thank you. We do have to get going. Nice stream. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Floridian stream. Thank you, Floridian safety. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. And Jeremiah. Thank you, Jeremiah. Thank you, Michael, Kumar, and Eddie Legendary, Bobo Bear. Everyone, thank you for joining in. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll be back on Monday. That'll be the plan. We'll do something else fun on Monday. Join our Discord and let us know what else we should cover. All right, bye everyone. Bye Real Green Blob. Hey, Real Green Blob, you stayed to the end. Look, there's something that showed up on the screen at least, right? Something that showed up on the screen. Love the concepts. Nice, Stephen Benjamin. Thank you. All right, bye guys. We're headed out now. We'll be back on Monday. See you guys. Have a good weekend. Bye everyone.